multi-MIDI clip editing is very handy. Normally, if we want to edit just one clip, we'd click here and we see down here in the clip editor the various notes. I can move these around and do whatever I want. But if I want to edit several clips at the same time, I can just select an area, for example, on my timeline, including those clips, and there they all are in the clip editor. Of course, we're talking about MIDI clips here. And you can see that the green clip at the top, drum kit 1, is selected, but if I just scroll down here, or not even scroll, just put my mouse pointer here, the yellow clip is highlighted here, the bass rack, and this drum kit 2 is right over here. I can also edit this stuff right in the window without actually changing my selection. So this is a very good way to get your timings together, adjust the way instruments work. This also works in session view, by the way. So if I select a clip here, of course in the clip view, I get my information down here with the clip. But if I hit Shift, I can multiply select the clips here. So I have 3 clips now selected. And if I just pull this up, we can see that they're of different lengths. So I've got this one here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So we can see that, for example, this one's a 10-bar one. You can see the 10 bars written there. Here is an 8-bar one, and this is a 4-bar one. And this is really nice because it means that I can really kind of move things around within the clips, and it even kind of compensates for the fact that these clips are looping in some cases more often than the other ones because of the different bar lengths. So very nice feature.